ये क्या है सारा?
I'm not giving you anything. कल रात की स्कर्ट और मेरी मैक्सी. मैं आप घर जा रहे हूँ.
Since 3 years when it started, like it was my like third or fourth order from the brand.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. अरे मेरी माँ मेरा इंट्रो मेरे साथ कर रही है, मतलब क्या ही हो गया. We are going for Christmas decor shopping and हम लोग ने बहुत बड़ा PR अनबॉक्सिंग किया है, तो पूरा स्टूडियो रूम मेस में है. और शेरिन सोच रही है किसको बेचूं, इतना सामान है मेरे पास. मम्मी को मैं मिली नहीं हूँ ना बहुत टाइम से, आई टोल्ड हर टेक हर फॉर डिनर डेट, सो इसलिए इतना अच्छे तैयार हो गया है.
वैसे है ना, इसलिए सब्स्टिट्यूट मिल गया. नहीं तो ये 6 महीने से एक दिन बोली नहीं थी कि चलो डिनर पे जाते. एक कॉफी पे भी ऑफर नहीं की. मेरे को पॉल्स लेके गई.
तुम्हारा है कॉफी पीने को और खाना तो तुम ही बनाते, तो तुमको हमको बुलाना चाहिए ना.
मैं तो बुलाती हूँ ना.
क्रिसमस ट्री नए घर में भी पुराना ही यूज होगा, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू जनरेट मोर वेस्ट.
to buy a new Christmas tree
Because you don't own a Christmas tree.
yeah so
Old tree, new house, just few decorations have gone missing and have broken in the shifting and also some new decoration needs to be bought. That's all we need. Everything else we have. Bandra has a lot of decoration. Which tree you want to take from here? Only take.
yeah
Mummy, you would wear a Santa Claus costume and come to my house.
and why would I'm not giving you anything. You are giving me everything.
What am I giving you? I'm not giving you anything.
First we'll see the ornaments now.
Okay, come. Mummy wants this Christmas tree. This pink one. Front seat is full. Dicky is full. Mother is happy. Christmas shopping is done.
Yes.
Only decor shopping we're done with. What are you wearing?
For what?
Christmas?
You're buying no dress for me.
Huh?
You only said we'll go out.
Please.
There are so many shops in the street.
Every street has shops,
Yeah.
Mother. This is Mumbai.
Sarah, one festival I expect you to buy for me. Okay?
Every festival I buy for you only, Mother. Now we are going for dinner.
Diwali, we're in. Which restaurant are we going by? the way?
Izumi, let's go. Let's see if we get a table. Everything is walk-in only tonight, Friday, no?
Okay, Mizo, we can't go. It will be full, you think?
Yes, they have very limited seating anyway.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay, thank you.
The next day.
It's Saturday and for a change in scenery, Sarah has Saturday night plans because her one friend who is in Mumbai, only one friend remaining, one last woman standing, has finally decided to meet me after ages. Damn! We have made time for each other और आज रात को हम मिलेंगे. बोलिए मैम. मैं अभी नाइट सूट में हूँ, तो अभी मैं तैयार होने लगूंगी.
तो कभी भी तैयार हो, मेरे को सिर्फ एक टाइम बता.
मैं तेको तेरी बिल्डिंग से 8:15 पिकअप करूंगी उबर में.
मेरे को डाउट लग रहा है.
क्यों डाउट लग रहा है?
क्योंकि आधा घंटा ही है, तू आधे घंटे में
मैं हो जाऊंगी तैयार. मेरा हेयर इज डन, ओनली मेकअप्स.
ठीक है. आ जाना बहन नीचे.
आ रही हो. बाय. Tamanna's birthday on Monday and of course जिंदगी में तो बीटी चलती रहती है हमारी, like you know that is how we mutually bond on trauma in our best friendships, but it's her birthday on Monday, so we thought at least the weekend before her birthday we should go somewhere, have a girls night. It's been ages and I really miss her, so we are going out to this new club called Monkey Bar. I actually have an invite from them. So it perfectly synced. Christmas decor तो खरीद लिया, but Christmas tree तो मैं रीत के लिए रुकी हूँ कि he'll come back from Assam and then we'll put it together. We're not putting our tree अभी. आता काय पहनायचं मला माहित नाहीये. आई हैव गॉट तमन्ना गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम अमेरिका. तो अमेरिका वाले गिफ्ट्स मैं उसको मंडे को दूंगी, उसके बर्थडे के दिन. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू वाले दिन. आई एम सो चोपी एंड हैप्पी मूड व्हेन आई एम मीटिंग माय फ्रेंड्स. You know what the worst part about sourcing outfits is that जब actually friends के साथ बाहर जाना होता है तो कुछ नहीं होता है. Because sourcing outfits वाले तो source करने के बाद वापस चले जाते हैं. So I don't have any outfits to wear when I actually have to go out with my friends. But I'll wear this. I have this outfit since this is where I wore in Paris. It looks cute. It is cute. Let's wear this. Alright, I'm ready to go meet Tamanna. I'm so excited that I'm meeting after so long. This lip shade is so good. This is the lip shade Kokum Sharbat. I've made a mess, of course. This is how girls get ready. This is from My Hues and this is their new shade Kokum Sharbat. It's so good. Like, I swatched it for the first time aaj and I didn't want to add any other lipstick. मैं 2-3 option लेके आई थी इधर, but I'm good. This is the fit. This is the look. You've already seen me in this outfit a bazillion times, but let's go meet the friend you've also seen a bazillion times, but not in a while.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
तो मेरा कल रात की स्कर्ट और मेरी मैक्सी. मैं आप घर जा रहे हो. कैसा लगा आपको मेरे घर पहली बार सो के?
बहुत अच्छा. This is Tamanna plus Tara fashion. This is nice soft. So मैं ऐसा इधर करके
फैशन टिप्स बाय तमन्ना.
ऐसे करके जाऊंगी ताकि किसी को लगे नहीं कि मैं ऐसा अंडर ड्रेस्ड हूँ.
अंडर ड्रेस तो नाइट सूट में ड्रेस है ब्रो. किसी को क्या
फिर नहीं, मेरे को बूट्स पहनने नहीं चाहिए.
बूट्स
ब्रो लाइक अच्छा लग रहा है ये.
एक्चुअली अच्छा लग रहा है.
एंटर माय बिल्डिंग विद दिस आउटफिट.
करेक्ट. तुम कौन? चलो पीछे हॉर्न बजा रहे. तमन्ना नाना हो गई. तमन्ना को लेट हो रहा है. जल्दी इशू. वी हैव टू ड्रॉप तमन्ना. Come on, where you sitting? Where Tamanna will sit? We're going on the rooftop, and who'll hold you? You're not giving Mashi huggy kiss. You saw after so long. You saw Mashi after how long? Oh no! Give me kishu. Give my kishu. My nice kishu. I saw gorilla on your t-shirt. I'm seeing on your t-shirt. Nanu Nana behind. We are not going with Nanu Nana. We are going to drop Auntie Tamanna. Open it, come on. Hi, Pudgy Baba. Just remove from the dabba. Bas. Okay, great. Don't tear the dabba. Take the stand. See, Nana bought ornaments also and came. Santa Claus.
You segregated your ornaments and
Yes.
my ornaments?
All the red I gave you. But he knows Babu every year we can. Yes, I'm trying to push. First you keep it at the base.
Yeah, then we take the biggest.
Yes, which is the biggest? This one or that one?
This one.
Are you sure? I think it's shove it in.
Right?
Yes. It's called a bit. Yeah. Wait, now first we have to open this up. See, like this.
बस पूरा कर लेना.
Now open. Open the tree. Come on, start opening the tree. Open.
That's why I brought you Isha and I called you to come and help me.
Not too much.
Spread the leaves first. Yeah, you have to make it into a tree, no issue. Issue, you just want to put on top and top. Yeah, you have to open the full tree. Ishan, you have to play Christmas.
Like Christmas carol.
You right?
Yeah.
Oh wow. See, mummy is becoming Hannah. अच्छे से ये सब स्प्रेड होएगा, एक दूसरे में टकराएगा. ये मैंने कैसे घना की, ये भी तो स्पार्क ही था. ये सब फुलना बचा है. अपने आप थोड़े वो घना है.
Don't drop it down, no, Ishan, that's the thing.
Come. To put it and this end, and then you have to turn it like this so that it doesn't fall. Okay? Understood? Anything? Linda? It's coming together. पहले ऊपर का स्टार नहीं लगाते. मेरे को तो सिर्फ हिंदी वाला मालूम है. करके दिखाएंगे. हाँ भाई हाँ.
Muck and Daisy and Rolly too. Lofty and Wendy join the crew.
सभी ना तू मत कर. अरे 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 perfect.
So much fun.
Come on, open the ornaments. Let's open everything, all the boxes. I have more red ornaments at home. Should bring that, no?
Yeah. So the tree looks very
Full.
and also.
Wow, from where you got all this? So beautiful.
Beautiful, no?
Yeah.
No, one in my house, one in your house. So both of us.
Wow, so sweet,
This
mother.
will,
Sharing is caring.
If when they shake and all
Yeah,
for
yeah.
this, it will fall. Put it on the either on the Christmas day. We also put these delicate stuff on the day because if they shake for
Wreath uncle is not come. Papa was saying wreath to put on the door. This is also called wreath in English. बेचारे को लगा wreath uncle is at the door. दरवाजा खोल ले गया. When wreath uncle told you he's coming? When he's coming?
Tuesday. When Tuesday?
Tuesday I want Ishana, Sabrina. Tuesday and Wednesday. Winter's first bajre ka rotla and
Good.
good and yeah. Give me good. Where is my good? Good and this is not my diet food, but this is healthy and tasty and I love bajre ka rotla and what is this bengan ka bharta? My favorite dish in winters. Namak mirchi sab barabar.
Perfect.
Oh good. Going Ishan. Big Nanu's house. Why are you going to break the lift? Come on, fetch. Let's go. Why are you barking? Come on, let's go.
Because he saw Nana.
Yeah, he saw Nana and you're not letting him go to Nana and you all will drop me nicely. चलो दोनों बच्चे लोग. Come on. एक रिक्शा में थोड़े अपन तीनों फिट होंगे. और ये पूरा इंसान आधा इंसान.
Baby, won't you hold me tight?
Hello. Where are the people of this house? All these murgis are out to play. See, Coco. There you are sitting and barking. हाँ? कौन है इधर? कौन है? हाँ? Who's come? We've come to your Christmas decoration team is come. Hello, I come to your house a lot. Bhav. So many, all the hen you left like that only. You.
Rupert gone. Who's gone? Where Mama gone? Where Papa gone?
They are coming. पीछे से.
Satyam.
Satyam already went inside. Only pillow cover.
she didn't remove it only from last Christmas.
No, Baba.
No, she removed every Christmas.
Yeah, and wash it.
Where is all the mal masala?
Masala bed?
अच्छा, come on Satyam.
क्या मतलब तुम लोग खाने को पीने को बाबू
Christmas decoration in house number 2 and all the pasara नानी ने सालों से जो जमा कर रखा है. ईशान is so confused. इतना सारा सामान आया कहाँ से? ईशान, this is so much more than Nanu house, no? Ishan,
outside sit there coco there sit
you saw all the cocoa? You saw all the cocoa? Yes, you saw all the cocos. Coco means chicken, guys. We have chickens in this house. Where is all the chicken? They are gone. कहीं ऐसा? Ah, there they are sitting over there in the garden. And where are you? Come, we'll put tree now. You don't go out. Come inside the house. Chalo, let's do this.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Yes.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want.
हाँ हो गया
If anybody is hungry, there's some mutton I brought for you all.
Nana fed us dosa.
Dosa she fed. Oh, so nice.
Gone. Sabrina.
What dosa you made?
No reliability to your decoration.
खिला
खिल्ला लगेगा खिल्ला.
ऐसा ठोक देंगे ना तो गिरेगा नहीं, अटक जाएगा. स्टार का है.
स्टार इनका तार वाला स्टार है. घंटी.
घंटी तो इधर लगा दो ना.
दरवाजा कैसे बंद होगा? घंटी लगाओगे उधर तो. द मेन स्टार. tie it. पीछे there's a तार.
now coming like I'm gonna wait
See, you're ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Light will come now. Okay?
Hey, there is something to eat for him, Sabrina.
no mommy
Banana you want?
See! You're happy now? Happy? Happy?
it will come
They are connecting everything. See, light came. See, light came.
wait it is blinking light see
It's blinking and going and coming.
come go come go go come go go come
ये ले,
go come
ये
come go go go
तू चढ़ाइए ना, नहीं सड़ना है इसलिए.
What is Nisad? Huh?
सबीना और सारा जब इतना था.
Ishan, are you happy now? Yeah, this is our live Christmas tree. We have it. नानी कितने साल से उगा रहे इसको. इतना बड़ा हो गया अभी. मैं छोटी थी तो छोटा सा था. When I was small, this tree was so small, na? It's literally my age.
ड्रॉर में है उधर अंदर जाने को उधर
Photo.
yes
Bye bye, Nanu. Nana's tree is ready. Now the decorators are going.
Show this one.
Yeah. Oh please, this one didn't do anything. Just sat in one place.
The next day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mungfali.
Because you love Reese's.
This is strawberry. Faja, wait, no, this is my food. Now, where it's not your food. High five here, high five. Hey, इतना सा weak है. मोमबत्ती.
How are you so good at this?
सारा.
Could be a glass also. Fudge is more interested in your gift wrapping situation.
पता नहीं इसमें क्या लग रहा है तो उसके बाद करना. Warning. Burn within sight.
Just open it.
Oh wow.
है ना?
मस्त है.
मेरे को मालूम है तो कैसे इतरी टाइप की फ्रेग्रेंसेस पसंद है इसलिए I was like
ना ऊद बड़ा मैंने wow.
next you see this.
दिखाने नहीं वाली हूँ. पता नहीं कभी यूज करूँगी bro, ये बहुत फैंसी है. I don't wait to touch this one. ये क्या है सारा?
The box is bigger than the item. You can just open it. Confused है तू जिंदगी में.
कहाँ है पागल हो गया? No.
It's not real.
Still, it's very precious.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Wow.
I know you like rings like this. That's why. It's adjustable. मस्त लग रहा है ना? Ah. morning. Today is the 17th of December and it's a very special day because आज मेरा meet and greet है with Impulse Coffees. Today we are celebrating 3 years of Impulse Coffees. It's actually our anniversary is on the 3rd of December. That's when we completed 3 years. I can't believe I've been running this brand for 3 years and I have hair on my head still. We are all actually going to go to this place called Hitchens Cocktails and Bars. It's this beautiful cozy bar setup which is fully inspired by Hitchens, the author, and I really like the interiors, everything. So that's the place we've chosen. It's in Khar. इस बार हमारी anniversary पे we decided that we would call the Sara Squad. The main reason I got inspired to do this was because just now when the Pack Sara meet and greet happened, so many people were just like, we're big fans of Impulse Coffees, we love Impulse Coffees, I have so many Impulse Coffees, and तभी Strawberry का launch हुआ था and everyone at the meet and greet was like, I've ordered Strawberry, I've ordered the quad set and it's coming, it's already come. Like these were the things I was listening to. So I told my team when I got back home that we need to do an Impulse Coffees meet and greet. We decided to keep it exclusive. We didn't do like a public announcement of the location because we had a cap from the venue itself. So we took a Google form on Instagram. उसमें से सिर्फ 50 लोगों को हम लोग location भेज पाए. And then once we got positive RSVPs, that's our list closed. Even if some people cancel and all, हमारी team और family को include करके 50 हो जाएंगे. That is a tentative idea I have in mind. And that's why we just kept a cap on the amount of people that can come. Because it's not like Nykaa Land, you know, it's not like we have so much space that people can keep flowing around. So it's a small place, like the venue is small, but it's very cozy and very nice. And yesterday I went for a food tasting. I was in vlogging. I was like doing so many things yesterday. After Tamanna's house, I went directly to Khar, got the food tasting done, saw the venue, everything, सब check वेक करके मैं आई हूँ और फिर मैं सो गई. अभी मुझे नहाना है, तैयार होना है, and I have to directly bounce there for the meet and greet. My team is already there getting the decor and everything started. So everybody's going to be there today except Reeth because he's coming back in the evening from Assam. I told you all he had work, so he had to delay his flight and he's coming tonight. तो फिर हमको meet and greet के बाद घर आऊंगी मैं because उनकी flight land होगी रात को 10 बजे. And I'll come back home. I have to put my vlog आज का और फिर I'll go back to the airport to pick him up. So it's a long day. It is right now 9:45 p.m. I have a lot of like grease in my scalp, so let's just get a fresh hair, makeup, everything done and BRB. I'm ready for my meet and greet. This is my glam. The glam is glamming. I took my own sweet time to do my base really nicely. The lipstick I'm wearing is Fenty Beauty's HBIC, my go-to red lipstick. मैंने already bag में डाल दी है. I love how the base has turned out. I think I'll just do a little more blush. Actually with red lip, I don't do a lot of blush. Only because I don't want it overpowered. I have put my Turkish Delight blush and then I'm topping it up with the Patrick Ta's powder. Just because I did the Turkish Delight before I did my under eye powder. This is my outfit. You've already seen me wear this exact same outfit in Los Angeles. This white top is from TJ Maxx and this brown skirt is from Kua Clothing. I'm keeping it very comfortable because I have to meet so many people and just be around. I'm not doing a dress this time. Every year I do a dress. So this year I thought I'll do skirt and top, and I'm doing brown because of course we have to dress. The theme is basically the same as last year, to dress in any one of our coffee colors or flavor ke colors, ya to Impulse apparel. You can wear Impulse apparel if you have it, because we've not just extended the invite to Impulse Coffee's customers, we've also extended the invite to the entire Sara Squad. Whoever saw the Google form, actually half of my broadcast fam didn't even see the Google form, and unfortunately YouTube pe ye sab dalne ke liye there is no medium, there's no stories on YouTube, so Instagram is where all of this communication happens. You have to follow Impulse Coffee's Instagram for not being able to miss this out next time you're in Bombay, and we plan to do something like this. But now let's go.
Hello. Hi.
Papi boss.
Boss.
तो बेस्ट बात है, लगेज लेके आओ, मेरा फ्लाइट करे.
Are you kidding me?
लगेज लेके निकल के मैं 5 मिनट में फोन चेक किया, कल का टिकट.
Nice.
स्ट्रेस नहीं.
Hi guys. ये देख कैसे रखा हुआ है.
Guys.
Guys. Give me also. One. Thank you. Hi.
Hi, Sharon. I know you. I know, right? I love the fins. I love the small. Abhi bestseller ही है. नहीं, caramel is giving like close up.
remember coffee के flavor.
याद है
तू हर शूट में है ना?
And I am not coffee and I remember all flavors. No spot price. What is this?
अभी तक अच्छा था ना, आती लड़ना झगड़ना.
उसको flavors के नाम नहीं पता है. उधर चॉकलेट वाला. What is चॉकलेट वाला?
उसको पता है?
उसको पता होगा बोल रही है.
होगा
She's also not sure. बता.
वनीला
92 में
ए पूरे
पूरे
वनीला पॉप.
पूरे
रात की रानी एक्सप्रेस तो
हाँ. फिर
वनीला क्या था?
प्यार भरी वनीला.
प्यार बड़ी वनीला. प्यार
क्या बोली वनीला? चॉकलेट
बड़ी.
That is pop. वनीला
कंफ्यूज हो रहा है उसको. मस्ती भरी वनीला रे.
याद नहीं आता.
फिर हो गया डिस्क्वालीफाई.
विचार होगा वेनिला.
विचार ओवर वनीला.
What is this?
विचार ओवर वनीला.
What is this?
Which is your favorite Impulse Coffee's flavor?
Nutcut hazelnut. I want to know if you own an Impulse apparel and which is your favorite one?
I think obviously it will be a roast coffee, not pizza.
Since how long are you shopping from Impulse Coffees?
Since 3 years. When it started, like it was my third or fourth order from the brand.
What flavor of coffee would you never consume?
There is no such flavor in Impulse. I'll have every flavor of them.
Since how long are you shopping from Impulse Coffees?
Launch day. I bought the first gift box with my first salary. I remember. But my parents admitted there are coffee and it, so they really like it. It's like हम काफी time बाद family members को मिलते हैं. It's all worth it. All the struggle is worth it. Hustle with Sar. Share with Sar. They were traveling for Sar now.
It's crazy to me that it's been 3 years that we started this brand. It's crazy to me that it's been more than 7 years that I'm creating content. Like sometimes I look back and can't even, like, I'm living a life which is a dream. मतलब मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा था यार कि मैं brand भी start करूँगा. I took a chance, lots of chances upon a lot of things. I'm also growing, I'm also learning, but I'm grateful that y'all have stuck by. Reading 3 years.
अबे फ्रेम पे आ रहा है. 1 2 3 cheers.
Cheers! Cheers!
All done. सब चले गए हैं. अंत भला तो सब भला. 3 साल में complete backup. I can't believe इतना अच्छे से हो गया. This is the best impulse party I've had. So smooth, yeah, so smoothly. अरे हर पार्टी अच्छी होती है.
हाँ यार ऐसे मत.
ये हर पार्टी अच्छी होती है. मैं नहीं था ना. मेरे को एक्चुअली हर साल ऐसा लगता है this is the best, but only gets better. Alright, you guys, it's night time and I am at the airport. I'm here to pick Reet up and I'm gonna end this vlog right here. It's right before Christmas and this is going to be my last vlog for 2024. We decorated all our homes and I just want to spend time with family. ऐसा कुछ भी fancy schmancy हम करने नहीं वाले. We'll just go for mass and we'll of course decorate the Sarah Squad home also. Sarah Squad home में पहली Christmas है. I'll definitely be sharing like Instagram पे चीजें. That's all from Sarah for 2024. It's been a good year, mashallah. Taking all the lessons, all the blessings into 2025. I hope you all had a good 2024 और नहीं भी अच्छा था तो चलेगा. We have a new year, नया दिन, नई शुरुआत. हम वापस try करेंगे. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For this Sarah Squad goes to every single Sarah Squad who came for the Impulse Coffee's meet and greet. Thank you so much for showing up because you all made my day, made my year. And trust me, it was the highlight. Aaj and Pack Sara ka meet and greet was the highlight of 2024 for me, and Pack Sara ka launch also. So thank you so much. Thank you for everything. I love you all so much and I will see you in the next year. Bye. Mwah.